Hi, thank you guys for tuning in. Before we get started, we want to say thank you, Ash, for today's content. This was an actual birthday gift from her, so thank you very much. And JJ's here visiting, and thank you, JJ, for being here and for us to do this really cool item here from Ash. So thank you, Ash.
Thank you, Ash.
And this is JJ. So the item that we have here is going to be SirDavis from Beyoncé. We are dealing with 88 proof. What is that in ABV?
44.
Correct. You always cut it in half. And it says here, SirDavis. Let's see. 4 generations after Davis Hugh made whiskey in his land, his legacy is honored. Here, the complexity of rye is married with the elegance of malted barley, finished to perfection in sherry cask, a harmony of spices and sublime hints of fruit, like nothing ever before it. Reimagined whiskey. All right, so that's what we got. Pretty ass bottle. Pretty bottle.
Yeah.
All right, let's go ahead and crack this open. Nice and easy. Very heavy glass cork. All right, let's go ahead and actually let's get you first. Okay, I got you.
Is it a real cork? It looks like it's real.
No. The topper itself is glass.
Yeah.
And that's a regular cork.
Okay.
I was just saying the whole thing in itself is glass, not the cork, but the whole thing is glass. So you just want to be careful. Got some weight to it. Okay. Some of that. And then we'll put this right here like so. All right, let's get to it. Here we go. Cheers. Cheers, Ash. What do we got?
Smells sweet.
Like Beyonce. What else?
It smells like apricots.
Like Beyonce.
Maybe a little bready.
Like Beyonce.
With wood. That's it.
Yeah, you're right. We got some wood. We have some fruit. Apricot is definitely there for you and me. It's definitely there. It's really pleasant. You also have a little bit of some like almost cherry almond situation on this one. A nice combination. Maybe some walnut. We have wood and something vino and sweet. And the other thing I'll probably throw in on this that may not work very well for a lot of people, but it also smells like if dragon fruit had a little more body to it. Dragon fruit really doesn't have anything to it, but if you can smell it, you know what I'm talking about. It has like a very faint fragrance, and that fragrance reminds me of dragon fruit. It's a little perfumic, but overall, not a lot of booze going on. Very clean. Just really like inviting to the nose. It's masculine yet feminine. It's sweet and savory. It's got a whole bunch of complexities just to the nose. There's a lot going on, and honestly, it doesn't really smell like whiskey at all. It just doesn't. All right, let's do it, Pippin. Like Beyonce. I think if Beyonce had a flavor, this right here would be it. This is what I think she tastes like. This right here. She tastes like SirDavis. It's that good. What you got?
It's super creamy. Like vanilla. Smooth. Warming. And definitely woody.
Yep. It's got like this nice cherry to it, a nice red, deep cherry, not like oversweet, like it's not ripe yet, but it's like right there, and it's got a little sweetness to it. Then you have like this sort of like singed, woodsy, smoky aspect to it. Now, On the finish, it is smooth and it is going to warm you up. But it's got some slight peppering, like a little seasoning, a little to it. Kind of tingles the sides of the mouth, sides of the tongue, kind of keeps things interesting. But overall, the complexity is going to be whiskey. That rye in there actually is pretty masked very well. It has bready notes, but when it comes to things that are rye is a very predominant pungent flavor. You would not have guessed it with this that it's made with rye. So everything else is working on it. The other thing that you may experience, let's see if JJ will say it. They'll say brown sugar or maple syrup, just a little bit, kind of giving it that sweetness. What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'd say the fact that it's so creamy in the mouthfeel, that's why I don't really believe it's rye.
Yeah. It's an experience. It is top shelf. Hate to tell you this. Don't just drink this on a bad day. Don't drink it on a good day. It needs to be a great day, or when someone amazing comes by, or someone who has been watching for quite some time. This is a very incredible bottle. Now, truth be told, we recorded this once before, and an incident happened, but we were in thralls of recording this, and we finished, and we didn't realize the microphones weren't working. So for the first time in a long time, this is the 5th time I've ever had to take a retake. And I'm glad I did it with JJ and you guys. And I'm glad that we were able to do a retake on something as memorable as a birthday gift, as memorable as Beyoncé. I mean, let's face it, gorgeous woman. Everyone knows at least one or two of her songs, whether you listen to her or not. She has one of the most interesting fan base whatsoever. And she's just pretty cool. And who would have thought that she would have came out with something that deserves to be top shelf in your home? And with that said, is there anything else you'd like to add in on this deliciousness?
No, that's it.
Was it?
That's it.
All right. Hey.
Don't ask too many questions. Just enjoy.
Fine. Bye. Bye, everyone. Fine. I'm out of here. Bye. Thanks, Ash.
Cheers.